Welcome students, I am Utpul Adhikari, assistant teacher of BMS. Today I will discuss three sums, that is 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, and I will start the next exercise of chapter 2, that is 2.5. In the previous class I have solved three sums, three lengthy sums. Okay. Now in this exercise only three sums are left. After that, after solving these three sums, I will start the exercise 2.5. Okay. So the first sum, half of a herd of deer gazing in the field and 3/4 of remaining are playing nearby, and the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Okay. First of all, herd. Herd means, herd is a, you know that herd is a collective noun, some number of deers. Okay, some number of deers. So that herd means a group of deers. That is a collective noun. So half of the deer gazing in the field. First of all, our required question is that is asked in the question. Find the number of deer. Okay. Let the number of deer, that is x. X numbers of deer in this mentioned herd. Okay. Now half of the deers are grazing. Half of the deers are grazing means if total 12 deers, half of 12, that is 12/2. These are grazing. Here I am taking total number of deer, that is 8. So how many deers are grazing? That is x/2. This number of deers are grazing. If half of deer are grazing, then remaining deer is x minus x/2. These are grazing and total number of deer is x. So x minus x/2, that is x/2. Remaining deers are x, number of deer is x/2. And 3/4 of remaining are playing. Some among this x number of deer, some of deer are playing. How many deers are playing there? That is 3/4 of remaining number. Remaining deers are after excluding grazing, that is x/2. 3/4 of remaining numbers of x/2, that is 3. 3 into x, 4. So these 3x/8 numbers of deer are playing, and rest 9 are drinking. Okay. So 9 deers are drinking. So total, if I take the total number of deers is x, then half of them are grazing. 3/4 of remaining are playing, and 9 deers are drinking. So total number of that deers x is divided into 3 parts. Some is grazing, some deers are grazing, some of them playing, and 9 are drinking. So sum of these 3 should be x. Sum of these 3 should be gazing plus playing plus 9 should be x. So according to the question, that is x/2 gazing in the field, 3x/2, 3x/8, that is playing nearby, playing the nearby. Okay, nearby ground. Okay, and 9. These 9 deers are drinking. So sum of these 3 equal to total number of deer, that is x. Now this first term is variable, second term is variable, and third term 9, and right hand side x is variable. We should bring all the variables in the left hand side. That's why x/2 plus 3x/8, this is the x having plus sign. If it transposing to left hand side, it will be minus. That is, now 218. What is the LCM of 218? That is 1, 8. 2, 1, 1, 4. That is 8. Now 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 into x, 4x. 8 divided by 1, 8. X, that is minus 8x. 8 divided by 8, that is 1. 1 into 3x, 3x. 4x plus 3x, 7x, 7x minus 8x, that is minus x by 2, and that is also plus 9 in this side, minus 9. As I told it before that, if both sides I have minus sign, I can multiply both sides by minus. After multiplying minus, both sides minus sign will be eliminated. So multiplying minus with the both sides, that will be x by 2 and 9 by 2. X 8 is divided here. In this side, it will be in multiplication with 9. That is 9 into 8, 72. X value of x is 72. In the beginning of the question, I have taken that total number of deer is x, and x is 72. So the question is find the number of deer in the heart. So number of deer in the heart, that is 72. It is our required answer. 72 numbers of deer are there in the heart. Okay. And question number 9. First in this video, was question number 8. This is the question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. He is 54 years older than her. That means grandfather is older, 54 years older than granddaughter. Okay. Question is asked, that is find their present age. Find their present age of, we have to calculate the present age of grandfather and granddaughter. I am taking here present age of granddaughter, that is x years, and it is given that grandfather is 10 times older than the age of older than his granddaughter. Granddaughter x, granddaughter age is x. 10 times of x is, that is 10x. That is the age of grandfather. Therefore, the present age of grandfather is 10 times of x, that is 10x years. Okay. Another question is given that, condition is given that he is also 54 years older than her. He is also 54 years older than her. Okay. If I say Ram is 10 years older than Sam, what do you mean by this statement? It means age of Ram minus age of Sam, age of Ram minus age of Sam equal to 10 years. Okay. So here in this question, grandfather is 54 years older than her, or older than his granddaughter. It means age difference between granddaughter and grandfather is 54 years. According to the question, age of grandfather minus age of granddaughter equal to 54. That is the linear equation. Now solving in this equation will get the value of x. Therefore 10x minus x, that is 9x. 9x equal to 51. 9 is multiplied here with the x. If it changes right hand side, it will be divided from. That is 54 by 9. 54 by 9, that is 6. X equal to 6. X is 6 means 6 years is the age of granddaughter, and therefore answer age of granddaughter, that is 6 years. And what will be the age of grandfather? Grandfather 10 times of granddaughter, that is 10x. Put the value of x, that is 10 into 6, 60 years. So age of granddaughter 6 years and age of grandfather is 6 years and age of grandfather is 60 years. Okay. That is question. Coming to the question number 10. A man's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their ages. Okay. So let the present age of son, that is x years, and present age of father, that is man, is 3 times of his son's age. 3 times of his son's age, that is 3x years. Okay. With that condition, I am taking the man's age is 3x years and son's age is x years. Okay. 10 years ago. 10 years ago means if anyone's age, taking an example, if anyone's age is 20 years, what was the age before 10 years? That is, I will subtracting 10 from 20. So 10 years before, son's age was x minus 10 years, and 10 years before man's age was, that is 3x minus 10. Okay. Now another condition is given that 10 years ago son's man was 5 times of his son's age. It means, according to the question, man was, that is 3x minus 10, 5 times of his son's age, that is x minus 10. Okay. Now solving this equation, 3x minus 10 equal to 5x minus 50. Taking both the this variable in this side, that is 3x minus 50 equal to minus 50 plus 10. So 3x minus 5x, that is minus 2x. Minus 2x equal to minus 40. Both sides it has minus, so I can multiply both sides by minus. After multiplying minus, we get 2x equal to 40, then x equal to 2x equal to 40, or x equal to 40 by 2, that is 20. So question is find their ages. It is present ages. So present age of son, that is x years, it means 20 years, and present age of father or man's age of present age of man, that is 3x years, that is 3 into 20, that is 60 years. Okay, 60 years. 60 years is the age of man and 20 years is the age of son. Okay students, sum number 10. 10 was the last sums of exercise 2.4. Today I will solve just one problem of exercise 2.5. In this exercise, some moderate type of equation, linear equations are given. We have to solve it. Solve means we have to find the value of x. Okay, as we solved it earlier in exercise 2.2 or 2.3, that is 2.2. Actually, sums are 2.4 or 2.2 or 2. These equations are easier than 2.5. In this, not so much hard, but little bit difficult from the previous sums. Okay. So question number 1, that is x minus 2 1 by 5 equal to x minus 3 plus 1 by 4. As we know that, first of all the variables which are in equation should bring in the left hand side. So x by 2 If I move change the side of this x by 3, it will be in minus, that is x minus 3, 1 by 4. It is in this side, that is plus 1 by 5. Now what will be the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. So 3x minus 2x equal to LCM of 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are co-prime number, so that is 20. LCM of co-prime numbers are product of the numbers. Okay, that's why it is 4 5 plus 4, or 3x minus 12, that is x by 6 equal to 9 by 20, or x equal to 6 is divided here. In this side it will be in multiplication with 9 by 20. 9 by 20 into 6, that is 10, 3, 27 by 10. It is our required answer. X equal to 27 by 10. It is our required answer. Okay, students. In the next video, we will solve the further of this exercise 2.5. Till then, stay at home and keep watching all the videos of Badon Model School. Thank you.